79, take care. Radio Man, Coast of Cal, back to the bushes.
Alright, my friend, Radio Man, appreciate it, man. It's been fun. I'm gonna get out here and get up and do something different. Radio Man, my friend, out there, all them good kids you putting out there. Radio Man, 79 in yours, you know, ain't going into it. I don't know you got good trees. Keep on moving. Put on your later, Radio Man, West Side, Mr. Jigsaw, Chevrolet, Kansas City, getting down.
Alright, there, Jigsaw around Kansas City. Hey, 79, just so you know, you started up the last video gate, which was 25 minutes long. You started that one, and you just started this one now. So that was a 25-minute QSO I think we just had. Alright, there, 79, take care out there, my friend. Hello, Jigsaw, around the not Windy City, around Kansas City. Radio Man, California West Side, stand by.
Hey, Radio Man, most of man, tell my friend Jigsaw, good morning for me. Radio Man, tell my friend Jigsaw, better say good morning, Radio Man, the New Year wave. Radio Man, I'm getting out of Jigsaw way, and I'm going to Denton, Radio Man. I'll get out with you. Down Kansas City, 2012 wave, got down.
Alright there, 79, you said you wanted me to wave a friendly 5 to Jigsaw, your good friend down there in Kansas City. I will do just that. Jigsaw, 79, in the money banks is waving a hand to you. Jigsaw, sounding good out there. 79's going 10-7, so you got the key now, Jigsaw. Radio Man, California West Side, looking at you. Well, so much for that. Jigsaw can't hear me anymore. Take care, Jigsaw. If you still got a sloppy copy, Radio Man, California West Side, back out.
Hey, little Red, bro. I ain't never been to Nolans. I ain't been to Nolans.
Good morning, Time Capital One. Radio Man, California West Side, standing by. It's a little bit rough and tough right about now there. Hey, Capital One, it's a little bit rough and tough. I just heard your key up there. I just want to wave my hand to you. Happy 2012, Capital One, your Radio Man gone again. Bye-bye.
Right, Radio Man being right, little Red got my radio right about now. Radio Man, you take care. Old Capital One, Razorback, and I'm out of here. Wiskey, Arkansas, state of Brega.
Good afternoon time, I think. Yeah. Good afternoon time, Wiskey, Radio Man, California West Side, standing by.
Send you back to Jonesboro, Arkansas, Capital One, go. Hey, old man, down here at the fire page. Wiskey, wave your hand.
Alright there, Wiskey. I'm going to wave my hand and jump out of the way. I don't want to approach no ears. Take care, Wiskey, Radio Man, gone again.
Yeah, you idea. Either time, too. Little Red, take care. Capital One, go. And one side's jumping up and down in DX land thought of the afternoon. Wiskey sitting around Arkansas reading it. 150 feet of number 2 4-strand. They don't call them Mexicans, they call them Mexicans. This is them Mexicans down there. Bye, Little Red. Take care. Be Capital One. Little Rock, out of here.
Hey, Capital One, ask Little Red where exactly she is, break.
Yep, Conway, BB, Bologna, Cabot, all of them right down the road from me. Old Capital One, go. We're up in the southwest corner, too. That little Red over in California, man, she gets out here, she sounds like she's drunk. I think she's sober today, though. She sobered up to key down. Top of the afternoon on the band out around west side of DX land. Wiskey, Arkansas State, Brega.
Hey, Wiskey, she just got too much of you, that's all. Hey, Wiskey, only had too much of you. 410.
No, that's what's the matter with it. They call me DX, that's what it is. Drunk Wild DX and the DWDX, no doubt, Razorback out here on the...
All right there, Wiskey. I heard my good friend 504 out there, too. I'll get a wave of my hand to him, too. Take care, Wiskey. Take care, 504, Radio Man, Coast of Cow, back to the bushes.
Get out there. 040, Missouri. That radio sounds like I got a hair hose up in my mouth. I'm going to do something. I'm going to turn my mic. Okay, Farmer John, man, you take care. Like I said, I think I talked to you yesterday. Happy 312. Tell all that fine stuff. Yeah, good idea. Where we go? Downtown to Smoky Hills, and all I can say is roll tide. More time, Mexican turns.
I just want to find out where that Little Red is. I want to find out where Little Red is exactly coming out of. If she's down there in San Diego, L.A., where's that Little Red coming out of, Brady?
Big D, Dallas, Texas, with the wave. That's actually coming out of California. She's got to do with John. Old Capital One down here in Little Rock, huh?
Well, I know she's in California. I just want to know if she's in L.A. or San Diego or what city she's coming out of, Roger.
I'll find out. Hey, Little Red, what's your 20? Shut up, lay off the bottle. I'll ask her what her 20 is. Okay, Farmer John, take care, man. Man, Little Red, Central California, you take care. I'm sorry you get homesick. Hey, Little Red, sorry you get homesick.
Hey, Capital One, according to Wiskey out there, she's been drinking. She's not homesick. According to Wiskey, she's been drinking 410.
Yeah, I can tell the difference. She's been toasting, she's been hosting.
Hey, all right. Hey, Capital One, if you can, try to get a city out of her. Trying to get a city where she's located out of, take care, Capital One, Radio Man, Central Coast of Cal, back out.
Right, Radio Man, you said you're around Central California, somewhere up that way. Every show. Radio Man, y'all take care. Get out of here, old Capital One.
Well, if she's in Central California, then that's somewhere real close to me. Probably Santa Maria area or San Luis Obispo area, or I'm not sure. I can't hear her from here. I can't hear her from my station. I'm up here in Paso Robles, California, directly between San Francisco to L.A., so. All right there, Capital One, I appreciate it. Take care, my friend. I'm back out, read this mail.
Capital One, Razorback, don't this of y'all. Silver Streak, he keeps flapping his head. I can't hear it. Silver Streak's flapping a Silver Streak. Hey, Little Red, don't feel bad. That's Capital number 2. He talks.
Somebody said Silver Streak keeps lifting his hand and slapping it. Is he slapping Little Red around? Is he slapping me around? What kind of damage is that Silver Streak doing right about now? Radio Man being nosy, break.
Ain't nobody slapping nobody around. Just sounded like a yes, that's all. Quiet, get on the brakes, take a little pause. Because I may be able to tell you what you want to know. Bye, Little Red. Hey, we always know where you're at, 351. We know where you're at, no doubt. Time of the day. We're just getting got the power to get one. I'm talking on my little using PC-66, Little Red. I got my car next over in the corner and working on another project today there, Blake?
Hey, Livewire, I still hear that big old AC hum in the background. Take care, Livewire. I'm back out.
Needs a little soda there, a little red. Come on. Hey, little red, we'll talk to you when you sober up. Sober up, and we'll talk to you later. Hurricane. No, let's get some sobriety on the band. 51265.
I wonder if there's a AA meeting, a CBAA meeting. I need to organize a CB Skip AA meeting for that little red. I'm back out.
You forgot to read the manual.
Morning time, 351. Morning time, 351 out there on the bridge. Heartbreaker, show me waving hand.
Good afternoon time, Heartbreaker, Radio Man, California, West Side, standing by.
Morning time to you out there, Radio Man. I lost that 351 in the shuffle somewhere. Morning time, Radio Man. Heartbreaker, show me waving hand.
Yeah, Heartbreaker, sometimes I'll push that 351 off that bridge and feed him to the sharks. Take care, Heartbreaker, sounding good out here in California. Radio Man, West Side, pushing people off the bridges, and I'm gone.
I'm in
Clouded over here today, supposed to rain here tomorrow, I do believe. Tonight, whatever, I don't know. Heartbreaker, little station, middle of the nation, go.
Alright there, Heartbreaker. Yeah, I wish it would rain over here, man. We haven't had it rain for a while. Take care there, Heartbreaker, Radio Man, on this 85-watt station, my big old 37-foot M107, and I just got a...
Shake, Radio Man, Heartbreaker, go. Twisted the house around and hollered at you, and I picked up a whole bunch more noise there. That radio man hard, so I got back to him, and now I'm hearing you now. Good morning out there, 351. Heartbreaker, show me sitting back.
I'm trying to push him back off that bridge. Somehow he got back up on it. I'm trying to push him back off. Bye, Heartbreaker, I'm gone.
This ain't a color red. You put a smile on my face every day.
All right, 351. Watch your back out there, man. The radio man's steady up and trying to push you off that bridge. That radio man's steady up and up and trying to push you off that bridge, 351. Watch your back, my friend. Well, we'll see you guys later on. Heartbreaker, sitting back.
The thing is about one of you and a cheeseburger. Won't you a cheeseburger team up if I'd about to say
Good afternoon, 505. Gone.
Hello, Papa Top.
Little red drunk. Hey, 505. You copping cotton top down here in London, Tim Holt?
name on the mess. I thought it was Papa Top. It's Cotton Top. Hey, Cotton Top, Radio Man, California West Side. I'll wave it at you.
Good afternoon to you. I haven't talked to you for a while. I'll see you. Right there. Don't know when to shut up. Hey, take her in there on that, man. Take care, 505. We'll talk again. Yeah, all right. The red cheeseburgers, all the same. Underheads. Check.
Y'all have a good one out there at 20 England. Y'all have a good day out there at 20 England, Heartbreaker. I don't need to listen to all this hash and trash. Y'all have a good one, Heartbreaker. Show me.
Well, Heartbreaker, I'm still trying to clean up your receive a little bit. Trying to make it a little bit easier on your ears. Take care, Heartbreaker. Radio Man, California West Side with the 85 watts that I just got up.
You're getting in there, Radio Man. There's a bunch of them out there keying up all one time. Just a lot of hash and trash over here in Missouri. Have a good one out there, friend. We'll talk again. Heartbreaker,
Hi there, Heartbreaker. Hey, you're on video, Jay, by the way. I don't know if I already told you that, but I'm recording you right now. You'll be on video, Jay, there, Heartbreaker. Radio Man 1351 on YouTube. Radio Man 1351. I'm back out. Bye-bye.
Slur dictionary so I can understand Little Red. Oh. Slur dictionary so I can understand Little Red.
Sorry about that, Heartbreaker. I had to take off my headphones. I got a 21 incoming call, no doubt about it. Take care there, Heartbreaker. Once again, I'm going to back it on out, read up on the mail for a bit. Radio Man, Coastal, ciao, back up.